Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I has uploaded a video, but anyway, I'm here, I'm back at it again, making another video for you guys. Anyway, for today's video, we'll be making an oatmeal cheesecake. And if you want to know what are the ingredients for it, please do keep on watching and enjoy. For the ingredients, you will need milk, butter, vanilla flavor, cream cheese, egg, biscuits, baking powder, half a lemon, and oatmeal. For the crust, I used 3 packs of biscuits and then crushed them together inside a ziploc. And then transferred it into a bowl, mixing it with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. After mixing them, scoop at least 1 tablespoon of crumbs for each cupcake's crust. Then, press the crushed mixture over the base to the bottom of the pan. Then set aside. For the filling, mix 4 tablespoons of oatmeal and 4 tablespoons of almond milk, then blend it. Now beat the cream cheese until mixture becomes smooth, then pour the blended oatmeal and almond milk. Now add 1 medium egg, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and mix to combine all. About 2 tablespoons of filling for each cupcake. After filling everything, preheat oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Then bake this baby for 20 minutes under 150 degrees Celsius.